0.6 equals 4, so you add 0.6 and that equals 4.6. And x plus 3.2 equals 7.0. And then you subtract and that equals 3.8.
Good. Let's give her a hand, guys. Good job. We're on page 127. This is section 3-3. We're in chapter 3 now. We're solving equations, and we're doing some of the complicated kinds that have exponents and variables on one side. So number 17 from page 127 starts it off. What you can notice about this question as opposed to your simple equations is what, Austin?
There's like terms.
There's like terms. In other words, 4x and 3x, they're alike, right? And so what do we do to like terms? Add them, collect like terms. What's 4x plus 3x? 7x. So we now have 7x equals 42. Now what do we do to get our x on its own? What do we have to do on both sides? Do you know, Pepper?
You have to divide 7 on both sides.
That's right. We divide 7 on both sides with a pen that doesn't work. And we get what? X equals what?
X, divisible 6.
X equals divisible 6. It's just actually 6 and we box it and we're done. Okay, it's not really invisible.
I say divisible because I assume to be using the pen that they use.
There we go. Okay, any questions on that? If you need to, you can always check it. How do you check it? You put 6 back in the original equation. What's 4 times 6, Gabby? Plus 3 times 6, Mickey? 18. And that 18 plus 24 equals 42. So that's a check. You see what I'm saying? The minus on this question and the what on the other question. Yeah, the minus is in front of the 7 and the 8. This has got minuses and that's got addition signs. So that's the difference between the question. It's trickier. Number 23 is trickier. Go ahead, Frankie, and solve it.
Okay, so you have to put like terms together. So it's negative 15. Oh, I have horrible handwriting. Negative 15y equals negative 15. And then you divide by negative 15 on both sides. And y equals 1.
Excellent job. Give her a hand. Good. Can you give her a hand too? Thank you. Good job, Frankie.
M minus 9 equals 45. And then, wait.
That's right. Good. She distributed. Can you put the little arrow above the 2? You know how we distribute? We put the little arrows there? Good stuff. Everybody see that? Write this down if you haven't written it down.
And then you subtract 6 by both sides. And then this cancels out. And then it's 8m minus 9 equals 48. Wait, well, what? No, 39, sorry.
39. Good. Good.
I don't have enough room.
You're good. You can do it. Add 9, so you can make it happen. Just put an arrow and do it to the right of you.
And then it cancels out. And it's 8m equals 48, and you divide it. And then m equals 6.
Good job. Give her a hand, please. Say hi. Come on. You do. You sort of did. It's actually a little tricky because of all the fractions, but it's not that hard. You can do it if you stick with your principles. 1/3 x plus 2, and the 2 gets distributed onto the 1/3 x plus 5 equals 12. When we say distribute, we make sure that we multiply the fraction 2 times 1/3 x. So we've got 1/3 x, I'm rewriting that. 2 times 1/3 is equal to 2 over 3x. Okay? Because it's just like saying 2 over 1 times 1 over 3. That equals 2/3. Okay? Just your basic fraction multiplication. 2 times 5 is equal to 10 equals 12. And now from there, you're pretty much on your way because 1/3 x adds to 2/3 x. What's 1/3 plus 2/3? 1/3 plus 2/3 equals 3/3, which equals 1. So this is 1x. This and this add up to be 1x. Plus 10 equals 12. And we subtract 10 on both sides. And we get 1x, or just x, because we have the invisible 1. X equals 2. And we're done. And we can always plug that back in. 2 goes in for x, we get 2/3 here. We get 2/3 there. and we multiply it all back out, and we're going to get a true equation, okay? So hopefully you understand that. That's a little trickier at first, but it's not that hard. You have to be able to deal with fractions and decimals, guys. Thank you.